Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to clear all types of different cache stored on your Windows 10 computer. I'm going to be doing this manually without any software. Step 1, open up your files and go to this PC. Step 2, select local disk. Step 3, open up Windows. Step 4, search for software distribution, and open it. Step 5, open up download. Step 6, delete all of these files. Step 7, go to your search bar and search for run. Then open it. Step 8, type in %temp%, and then click OK. Step 9, delete all of these files. Step 10, go to your search bar and search for run, then select it. Step 11, type in temp, and hit OK. Select continue. Step 12, delete all of these files. Step 13, go to your search bar and search for run, then select it. Step 14, type in prefetch. Select continue. Step 15, delete all of these files. Step 16, go to your search bar and search for run, then select it. Step 17, type in WS reset, and then hit OK. This stage will take a few moments to finish up. Step 18, open your settings and select privacy. Step 19, select location, then scroll down to clear, and click it. Step 20, go to your search bar and search for CMD, then click it. Step 21, select, Run as Administrator. Step 21, type in, IP, config, / flush, DNS, and then hit, Enter. Step 22, go to your search bar and search for clean, then select it. This stage will take a few moments to finish up. Step 23, check all the boxes, then select Clean up System Files. Step 25, check all the boxes, then select OK. Select Delete Files. This stage will take a few moments to finish up. Step 26, go to your search bar and search for System Restore, and then select it. Step 27, select Local Disk, then click, Configure. Turn on System Protection, and click OK. Step 28, select Local Disk, then click, Create. And then name it, Clean, and click, OK. Click Close, then click OK. And it's all done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tutorial videos.